Hello viewers, I'm going to show you how to download Bandit in Pycharm. So basically, Bandit is I would call it is a risk assessment for Python. So Bandit is a tool designed to find common security issues in Python code. So this is how it works. To do this, Bandit processes each file, builds an ASC from it, and runs appropriate plugin against the ASC nodes. Once Bandit has finished scanning all the files, it generates a report. So my focus today is to show you how to install Bandit in PyCharm interface. So the first thing to do is to go to Python packages. You see? So then you type Bandit. Here that you want to download, you will see the install button here. Then you click on it and you get the application installed. But for Bandit, because I already installed it, you are not going to see that install button. You see can you see this is showing that it has been installed. And the next thing I'm going to show you is to show you um, how to use the terminal. Terminal is in the bottom left of Pycharm interface. So you see, which I have already done. Okay. So now I want to show you how to check if check the Bandit version, then you click enter. So can you see what this is what we just downloaded? Bandit 1.74 is what we just downloaded. Then the next thing I'm going to show you is to show you how to test your Python code. This is the code I wrote, and I'm trying to show you how to use Bandit to analyze Python code. So Bandit minus R. So basically, what the dash R means is it helps you to create the analysis report. So to use Bandit to test your Python code, the next thing you're supposed to put is the part to your code. This is the part of my code. So when you click enter, then it analyzes it. So what you see some of the error that you are likely to encounter because this is not right. So you need to put I did this on purpose so that you can see the error you could encounter. So let's do it again. Bandit minus dash R space double quotes. If you don't put the double quotes, that is what you get. So you could do enter. There you go. You see, you can spot the difference now. So the total line of code I have is 65. 65 is why we are seeing this. Then this is the issue that I am having after the test. So if your code did not run, you will still spot. You see everything is showing at 0000, which is not appropriate. So back to why I am seeing 1 as medium. So the issue, this is it. The good thing about Bandit is it will show you the test results. My result is showing that I'm having that issue because possible hard coded password is John. This is the issue. This is the issue. So that is pretty much about Bandit analysis. So thank you for watching, for joining me today and for watching this. So if you have any question or you have any suggestion or observation, you can, send me a chat at the comment section. Do have a great day. And please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you once again. Have a good day.